Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the top 10 benefits of lemon water. This simple and easy-to-prepare drink, made by squeezing lemon juice into water, has been a popular home remedy for centuries. Whether enjoyed hot or cold, lemon water is not only refreshing but also packed with health benefits. In this video, we'll reveal the top 10 advantages of incorporating lemon water into your routine. Before you jump into the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Boost your immune system. Lemon water is an excellent source of vitamin C, essential for a robust immune system. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, shielding your cells from damage caused by free radicals. It boosts the production of white blood cells, which combat infections, and enhances the creation of antibodies that identify and neutralize harmful pathogens. Regularly drinking lemon water can strengthen your immune system, as lemons also provide beneficial nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and copper. Overall, lemon water is a powerful way to support your immune health and defend your body against infections and diseases. Number 2. Aids in digestion. Lemon water can significantly benefit your digestion. The citric acid in lemons stimulates the production of digestive juices, enhancing the breakdown of food and improving digestion. This can alleviate symptoms of indigestion, such as bloating and constipation. Moreover, drinking lemon water helps flush out toxins and waste from the digestive system, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing the accumulation of harmful substances. Overall, incorporating lemon water into your routine is an easy and effective way to support digestive health and overall well-being. Number 3. Promotes hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial, and lemon water offers a refreshing and flavorful way to enhance your fluid intake. Adding lemon to your water not only makes it taste better, but also encourages you to drink more throughout the day. Lemon water provides essential electrolytes like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which help maintain fluid balance and support healthy hydration. Adequate hydration is vital for various bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, lubricating joints, and transporting nutrients and oxygen to cells. Drinking lemon water can effectively boost your hydration levels and promote overall health and wellness. Number 4. Helps to detoxify your body. Lemon water is well known for its role in supporting the body's detoxification efforts. The citric acid in lemons can stimulate the production of liver enzyme activity, which is vital for detoxification. Moreover, lemon water helps expel waste and toxins from the body, facilitating the elimination of harmful substances. It also contains antioxidants that can protect the body from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Incorporating lemon water into your routine can enhance your body's natural detox processes and contribute to overall health and well-being. Number 5. Boosts energy. Drinking lemon water can enhance your energy levels. Lemons are a natural source of vitamin C, which is vital for energy production in the body. Vitamin C aids in converting glucose into energy and supports adrenal gland function, which regulates energy levels through hormone production. Additionally, lemon water provides potassium, essential for maintaining healthy nerve and muscle function. Proper nerve and muscle function is crucial for physical activity, which can help boost energy and reduce fatigue. By incorporating lemon water into your routine, you support your body's natural energy processes and promote a more energetic and less fatigued day. Number 6. Improves skin health. Lemon water can significantly enhance skin health. The vitamin C in lemons is crucial for collagen production, which maintains skin firmness and elasticity. As an antioxidant, vitamin C also helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, including UV rays and pollution. Additionally, the hydration provided by lemon water helps moisturize the skin, reducing dryness and minimizing the appearance of fine lines. By aiding in toxin elimination and supporting healthy digestion, lemon water contributes to clearer, healthier-looking skin. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can be an easy and effective way to support your skin's health and achieve a youthful, radiant complexion. Number 7. Reduces inflammation. Lemon water can also aid in reducing inflammation within the body. While inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, chronic inflammation can contribute to various health issues, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancer. The antioxidants in lemons help neutralize free radicals that can cause inflammation. Furthermore, lemon water can help to balance the body's pH levels, potentially reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. By mitigating inflammation, drinking lemon water can help prevent chronic diseases and enhance overall wellness. Number 8. Supports weight loss. Drinking lemon water can also aid in weight loss. The polyphenol found in lemons are known to help reduce weight gain and body fat. Additionally, the pectin fiber in lemons promotes a feeling of fullness and can help curb appetite, leading to lower calorie consumption. Lemon water can also boost metabolism, enhancing the body's ability to burn calories and support weight loss. Substituting lemon water for high-calorie drinks like soda or juice can further decrease calorie intake and contribute to weight loss. Overall, incorporating lemon water into a balanced diet and exercise regimen can effectively support your weight loss goals. Number 9. Fights bad breath. Lemon water can also combat bad breath. The acidity of lemons helps neutralize mouth odors, reducing unpleasant breath. Additionally, drinking lemon water stimulates saliva production, which aids in flushing out bacteria that contribute to bad breath. It also helps reduce plaque and bacteria buildup, supporting better oral hygiene. By including lemon water in your daily routine, you can minimize bad breath and enhance oral health, leading to fresher breath and a brighter smile. Number 10. Improves mental health. Drinking lemon water can positively impact mental health as well. The vitamin C in lemons is known to help alleviate stress and anxiety. Moreover, the aroma of lemon has mood-enhancing effects that may reduce symptoms of depression. The hydration provided by lemon water also supports cognitive function, improving focus and mental clarity. By fostering better mental health and overall well-being, drinking lemon water can contribute to enhanced quality of life and overall health. There you have it, the top 10 benefits of drinking lemon water. Whether you want to strengthen your immune system, enhance digestion, stay hydrated, detoxify your body, boost energy, improve skin health, reduce inflammation, support weight loss, combat bad breath, or elevate mental well-being, lemon water offers a simple and effective solution. Give it a try and discover how it can enhance your health and well-being. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.